welcome on the Hands on Time. So the topic of today is about this beautiful watch, the Vostok Komandirskie. So Vostok is a brand that is coming to us from Russia, okay? And these watches, the Komandirskies, are watches that were field watches, watches that were made for the troops of the Russian military. Okay, so Vostok is doing watches since 1942, I think, and this is a re-edition, you know, of that watch. So yeah, the Vostok Komandirskie, Comrade. The cost, I paid less than 40 euros for this watch. Yeah, for a fully automatic mechanical watch, 40 euro with all that history that goes behind this watch. I paid only 40 euros. What about the specs of this watch? Well, the specs of this watch are kind of perfect, for me, at least. So, let's find out. I'll take my instrument. We'll try to do the case first. So, with the case, because I'm always trying to catch the bezel here, and it's hard, especially on that type of bezel. So, you see, 38-64. Like, 38-64. Perfect size, you know, for my wrist. My wrists are 17 centimeters, and this looks great on my wrist with the 38-64 millimeters size. Okay, so 18 for the bandwidth. The bandwidth is 18, and the thickness with the crystal dome that we have here. It's a crystal dome. It looks like. Oh wait, I have the strap on it. Let me unstrap it. Boom, out of the NATO strap, and we will check that out. So now, with the NATO off, yeah, look, 11, how much? 11.99, 12, perfect size. You see, stands really well on the wrist. So what else can I say about the specs? You have a mineral crystal. It's a dome crystal, as you can see, a dome crystal. You have bidirectional crystal bezel. Okay, it's bidirectional. On the wrist, it's easier to turn it. Okay, you have a screwed down crown. On the first position, you can rewind it because it's only mechanical. Okay, there's no rotor inside. Okay, on the second position, up, you will be able to set the time, as you can see. And look, if I want to set the date, because you have a date complication, I just go 24 hours, as you can see, and pop, it changes automatically. This is a feature that you would find on watches that cost way more than this watch. It's automatic. It's crazy. And then I go back on the 9. Sorry, go back on the 9, and I go back on the 12. I go back on the 9, look at the date window, and I go back on the 12. Boom! I go back on the 9, and I go back on the 12. Boom! I go back on the 9, and I go back on the 12. Okay? So to set the date, 24 hours, and then I go back 9-12, 9-12, and it changes the time. Super features that doesn't harm the movement. That's how Vostok explains it to you. Okay, so it's really nice. I'm gone to Romania with my girlfriend, and some people over there knew Vostok because, you know, it's close to Russia. They had it for more than 12 years without a service, and it was still rocking. So this watch is really built to last. Okay, let's have a look at the back of the watch. Look at these beautiful engravings on the back. Really nice, huh? So that means made in Russia. I did my research. The encryption means made in Russia. Okay, and please take a look at those pumps. Look at the pumps. These are the most rugged pumps I've ever seen on a watch. It's crazy. They are so strong. You can go and do whatever you want with these pumps. It's crazy. Really rugged and strong pumps on this watch. Huh? We can sense that. We can feel the army background of the watch. So I think that that would be it for the specs. Did I mention that it's not stainless steel? It's made out of brass. Okay, it's not stainless steel, it's brass, and it doesn't come with the James Bond type of strap, NATO strap. It comes with this, just a rugged leather strap. So the buckle was silver. I just took it out and gave it to a friend that was in need of it, but it was silver basically. And it's really poor. I mean, it's strong, it's rugged, but it's really poor. It's not of a good quality, and I would not wear this this bracelet, this strap. Sorry. Okay, so I think that that's it for the specs. The good things and the bad things, the good and the bad. Well, everything's good about this watch. I already show you the way you set it up. The dial is beautiful in its own kitsch way. Beautiful dial. I took the paratroopers, you know, but you can have a tank instead. You can have like a soldier watch, a paratrooper watch, like any army department of the Russian army. You can pick and choose whatever you want, and even the bezels are different. If you don't like this bezel, there are other bezels. I mean, you have a great variety of choices. For the Vostok Komandirskie. So everything is good about this watch except for the strap. Maybe the strap's not that good. I already show it to you. Okay, and it is made out of brass, but that does not bother me. But you need to know. You know, it's made out of brass. It's not stainless steel. But apart from this, you know, it's I love this watch. I really love this watch. So how do I wear this watch? Well, first on a NATO strap. Okay, and only in casual times. I would really be tempted to wear this watch with a suit, but it's not appropriate because I really wear this watch a lot. I love it. You know, it stands beautifully on the wrist. I'm gonna show you, and yeah, only in casual times. And that's how it looks on my wrist. You see, after the bone, my wrist is 17 centimeters of circumference. Look at the thickness. Even better than the L'Oreal Rolex Marina Homage. Beautiful, isn't it? Really nice. Perfect size. I never give the lock to lock, but you can see it here on my wrist. It's not prominent. Beautiful. Looks really, really wonderful on the wrist. There you have it, guys, on the sides. Really nice. The Lume. Look at the Lume. Truly well applied on the hands. A little less on the dots, but pretty good, and it works super fine. So that's it for the Lume, guys. So let's take a moment. The communism star, the date. Look at the grain on the dial. There's a little grain on the dial. It's beautiful. Really kitschy. The sides. The back is on the NATO, sorry. The hands, that's how it looks. So what are my final thoughts? Well, my final thoughts about this watch is just go and take it. You know, the history behind it, the ruggedness of it, the reliability of it, everything is fantastic on this watch. Fully mechanical watch for less than 40 euros. With that history, I advise you to buy it. Okay, so if you liked what you saw, just subscribe, like, comment, tell me what do you think about the watch, tell me what were your experiences with it, and if you'd like to support the channel, you can buy me a coffee, it helps a lot, and I'm just wishing you a nice day and see you in the next one. Goodbye.